Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to come on here and talk to you all about this new women's heel brand I recently discovered. The brand is called 7 or 9, and their main focus is not only on creating stylish and on-trend shoes for women, but also maintaining a certain level of comfort. So without further ado, let's get started. So just a little bit about the brand before we really get into the fun part. The brand was founded in 2018 by two female friends, and their main goal obviously was to create beautiful, stylish heels, but also while maintaining, like I just mentioned, a certain level of comfort, just because heels, yes, they're beautiful to look at, they're so much fun to shop for and just try on and like create outfits with, but at the end of the day, you can't wear them, or you usually can't wear them for too long without feeling uncomfortable, pain, and like it's just not fun. So that was their main goal, and the name 7 or 9 comes from two of the most popular heel heights, so 7 centimeters or 9 centimeters, and they really do focus their research and development on discovering or creating new technologies that increase comfort in heels rather than just on styles and trends and what's hot right now. And in the past, what's really interesting, I thought this was genius. What's really interesting is that they have used in the past technology from everyday comfortable clothing or things like sneakers, underwear, even medical supplies to create a more comfortable heel. And what's awesome is that they do release new styles every year, so that they're always changing up their looks, and they still manage to maintain a certain level of style and be on trend. And what's really fun or different about the brand 7 or 9 is that they have created a whole line of heel accessories. So they have, if you check their website out, they do have a bunch of different bows, buckles, chains you can kind of attach to their shoes. So you can attach it to the front toe, the back of the heel, around the ankle, you name it, and it really does change up the look of the shoe. So you can go from a more casual heel look to a more fancy heel look in just like the snap of your fingers. So very interesting, and just it's also just a lot of fun to just play up and change the vibe of your outfit, your look, just by changing or adding a certain accessory to your heel. So I obviously will leave all their information in the description box below. They do offer free shipping worldwide, which is interesting. And they do offer, on their website, you'll see there's shoes for everyone. They have booties, mules, heels, sandals, you name it. They have a bunch of shoe accessories. They also have a wedding shoe line for all those of you who are getting married in 2023 or 2024. And also, don't forget to check out their accessory page. You will be blown away by the variety they have on their website. So 7 or 9 was kind enough to send me 2 pairs of shoes as well as 2 accessories. So let's just go ahead and open them, the fun part of the video. So it comes with a little envelope, kind of just introducing the brand. And as you can see, here are some of the styles of their heels. They also do come with a little dust bag, so perfect for carrying and around and just packing. This is just, I guess, a size chart, which is very interesting. And the fun part begins. So the first pair I did opt for are a pair of Mules. Let me just unpack them properly for you all. So here they are. They're just very cute black satin heels. So these are called the Air Touch Foam Black Satin Heels, or Mules. And as you can, well, you can't really, as you can see right here, they are very cushiony and soft, so they are comfortable to walk in. They're black satin, as I mentioned, and they come in a variety of colors. They do have pastel colors like a pastel pink, green, a yellow. They also do have black. I went for classic black just because it matches everything and they're easy to dress up and dress down as well. The heel does measure 5 centimeters, so I mean, it's not very high. You can get away with wearing these all day long, I do believe. I haven't tried it yet. It's winter out here where I'm from, so... But I can see myself wearing these for longer periods of time than usual just because they are so cushiony and not that high at all. So the lining is in leather and the midsole was made in Italy. So I do mention that just because Italy is renowned for their shoemaking skills and craftsmanship. That's just why. And this style of shoe was really created using their airfoam technology. Basically, their airfoam technology, they did get inspired and use technology in sneakers, and it's very obvious to see that. Not only is the sole very cushiony, but if you do, you can't really see it in the camera, but when I do put my fingers in, the top part is also very cushiony and soft. So there's like an extra padding just to make the shoe more comfortable, cushiony, and just, it really does just prevent any rubbing or blisters caused by the narrow point. This style also does just have a little strap with a little crystal, which makes it cute. The strap is removable, which is very interesting. So you open the Velcro and you can have a plain mule. You can also add some accessories. And the accessories, I just wanted to mention, they are held together. As you can see, the 7 or 9, it basically is a ribbon, but you can also just slip things through underneath. That is how this strap is attached to the mule. Mine are size 36. I'm usually a size 6 and they are true to size, so don't worry about that if you're a size whatever, 36, 37, 38. Don't hesitate to go for your actual size. The heel is a little glossier. It's in like a plasticky material. I just love that they're not very high and they're very comfortable and they're just easy to wear. You can change up the look and have 2 or 3 different pairs of shoes or looks for the same shoe. This pair specifically does go for $149 on their website. And I did choose this pair with certain outfits in mind. I thought they would be great to wear with jeans and a t-shirt on weekends or like out to the restaurant. You can give the shoe an edgier look by adding accessories to it. Or you can also dress them up and wear them on fancier evenings with a dress or a skirt on, or even just a pair of leather pants. They will look great with that too. Now, I just want to take a moment to show you guys the accessories I did receive and how we can fit them on this particular style of shoe. So the first accessory I went for are these kind of like crystal bows. I thought they would look so cute on the front of the shoe, even if we remove the strap. So they come in a packaging just like this, and the back of the packaging does show you how to wear their different accessories. So you can wear them at the front, as a belt over, in the back, as an ankle chain, or as a boot chain. So honestly, the possibilities are endless. So just look how cute this is, and I think I would even, if I were to wear it with the bow on, I would remove the strap and just wear them like this. And like I mentioned, it changes the look completely. Like picture these with a little bow, a pair of leather pants on, and just a plain black tank top and a little bag, a mini bag, and you're set to go. Your outfit can't get any cuter. So the second accessory I chose with the idea in mind of just replacing the strap with something else, something a little more blingy. So that's what I did. So I will remove the bow. I'm not the type to wear both together. It's just a little too much for me. So this strap is just like a wave of little crystals, which is very cute. And it comes with these 2 pieces at the edges, sewn onto the edges. It's basically Velcro that you're gonna attach underneath the shoe. So I can show you what that looks like. So once again, you slip the Velcro under the little 7 or 9 ribbon, just like that. and then you attach the second piece over it. And that creates your little buckle, not your little buckle, but your little chain to wear around. And it kind of replaces this satin one that comes with the shoe automatically, which gives it another look, if you will. Also very cute with a pair of leather pants. So that's the first pair. Let's just take a look at the second pair now. For the second pair, I went for something a little bit more wintry, a little bit more fall. It also comes with the dust bag. The same kind of little booklet of information with all their different heels and shoes and accessories. It also just kind of explains a little bit the technology behind the style of shoe. Your little size guide, always helpful if you're going to order a second or third pair. So my second pair is just a simple but very classic and useful pair of brown pointy toe booties. They are zipper closure, and as you can see, they have this little loop here to add your accessories onto them if you would like. So this pair is called the Air Touch Foam Brown Bootie. It's basically just in brown leather or caramel leather. They call it maple, I believe, on their website. As you can see, what's very cool about them is that there's just a seam in the middle, which is just a little subtle detail, but still will make a difference. It will enhance the look. I love that they are pointy. They are 5 centimeters like the previous pair. And honestly, their heel, it's like the same shape. The heel is not in plastic though. It is in the same suede as the body of the bootie. They do also have a little loop at the bottom in case if you do want to add a certain accessory to it. They have a loop here to add some ankle chains as well. The suede does feel very nice. It does kind of have like a velvety feel. It is soft to the touch, and I feel like they do keep their shape while not being stiff and hard and just uncomfortable. We're just gonna open. They do have the same air foam technology as the Mules I showed previously. And let's just see. So they should be cushiony, which they are, and they have that same kind of cushiony feel at the edge, at the point. So these ones were also inspired by sneakers. They do feel very comfortable, and I do feel like you can wear them for long bouts of time without really getting any blisters or rubbing or anything that's not fun to get when you do wear heels for too long. This pair, the lining is also in leather, and like I do mention, they do use the same air foam technology as the Mules do. Price-wise, these ones are obviously a little bit more expensive. They are $1.99 on their website. But like I did mention, they do offer free shipping worldwide. I did go for these with more fall outfits in mind, so I kind of wanted a pair of brown booties. I tend to gravitate more towards black, but I wanted something different. Something more in the earth, also a neutral or in the earthy tones, but not black. Basically to wear with my beiges, my caramels, my beige knits in the winter time. And these are just perfect for that. I honestly don't think I will wear them with any accessories just because of the looks I'm going for, but it's an option for those of you who will wear them differently. The Mules, however, I'm sure I will just have fun with them, adding the bows, taking off the bows, wearing them plainly, wearing them with the ankle chain. Those will be a lot of fun to play around with. So all in all, I am very impressed with 7 or 9 heels. I mean, they are stylish but also very comfortable at the same time, which is impressive. You don't see that every day, especially with heels. And what I do find a lot of fun and different, what kind of just sets them apart from any other comfort shoe brand, is that they have lots and lots of accessories you can play around with. I mean, for the same pair of shoes, you can change it up 3 or 4 times just to change up the vibe, the look of the shoe and the outfit at the same time. So that's very interesting. For those of you who are interested, do check out their website. I really encourage you. You will find something on there for sure. The prices are reasonably priced considering the quality and the comfort of the shoe. So I will leave all their information in the description box below. I just want to give a huge thanks to 7 or 9 for sending me these 2 beautiful pairs of shoes as well as the accessories. I will get a lot of use of them, I'm sure about it. And if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave all your comments and questions in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer them. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!